gonna be right on the corner of his head.
Don't keep going around.
Where the hell is this tape recorder? Fuck that tape recorder. Fuck that. Whoa! He's fucking floating. He was in a tree. Probably gonna be one time this little shit. Really? This guy is fucking fat. Seriously, this guy has to wear like 8
He's slowly sliding.
There ain't nothing in here but fucking notes and light. Oh my god. Okay, there you go. I think it's slowly sliding. Just that. I don't know if the camera picked that up, but that was a screen.
Good. Where is he?
I don't know. It's like making the noise effect where you see him, but I'm not fucking listening. Okay, he was just okay. Now I gotta go that way because I'm gonna turn around the other way. And it's gonna fucking pop up behind me.
Or if we're shooting in the same spot, just kidding.
God damn it! So he's not here anymore.
Not that you know.
Shut up! Don't make it more creepy. Oh! Where is he? I didn't. Oh, okay. Okay, go the other way. Please run faster than this. Lose some fucking weight and run. Thank God. Fucking thing's falling again. Either that or I'm just paranoid. It's not hard to see. I'm gonna get like 2. Yeah, I just got 2. I'm gonna die in like 15 seconds. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, I'm pretty sure the camera picked up the stream because it's like sitting on the speakers. Whoa. Did you see that ghost? Never follow the ghost. It'll lead you straight to your death. That fucking ghost is still following. Oh, hello, ghost.
Where do you see a ghost? There, I see.
I don't fucking see it there, but it's scary. How many times have I used the camera already? If you were to play this with like 4 people in the room with you, it seems like that's scary. Quit fucking screaming whoever that is.
It's scary.
Yeah. Just so you have no one else to hold. That's not really holding it right again.
We'll be on the stage.
Oh god.
Dad, we get closer.
That scared the crap out of me. Quit fucking, like, going everywhere. I fucking hate the news. I don't want to turn the lights. Right there.
Don't look at it. Why do you keep looking at it? Why are you looking
Except that I saw a tape recorder the other way.
You looked at it, she was right there, and then came back around, she was right there.
Swear to God, I heard a tape recorder right there, too. Fucking camera. see. I'm gonna be able to tell if it slides because I can see sunlight in the background. That looks like a penis. Look at it. It's even got like
You're gonna die.
It's even got like green mold on it. It's like a rock.
Oh, your penis has a green
Sticking it high the walls and then it's like another pointed rock on top of it. What?
Whoa.
Okay, we're in a graveyard now. Oh, I see one. Probably gonna die like that.
Trying to turn around and keep going.
Okay, that's 3 out of 8. In like 4 minutes. Or something. Are you still sleeping when I called you?
I woke me up web.
I can swear, I can like see him beside me. So like running along the wall right now, I can see him beside me. Like, yeah, but it's not like maybe he's down the top.
No. It's fine. It didn't even move.
Fucking hands are getting sweaty. Just playing this game. You can play it for it too. Oh, it's just a ghost.
What did you go in here?
Yeah, probably. That's a fucking ghost.
Ghosts. Ghosts are like blue. Monsters are red.
Yeah, the monster looks like a huge like bodybuilder with no skin, no eyes, and pointed like metal fingers.
You don't know that. What about Santa's house?
That was a little weird. I hope you know what this from.
Get bored.
Oh god, don't stop. Don't stop.
Yes, sing that. I think it looks so weird.
People are gonna think you're stupid.
That button is on YouTube.
Why do you think I'm recording it?
Well, we can record it differently. Look at my finger. Like bent, like that.
Jesus, dude, you need to like lay off the cereal. Not cereal. This dude who you're playing as is like 800 pounds.
Lay off the cereal.
You need to like lay off the fucking donuts and start eating.
Look, there's more.
Start eating like life cereal.
You're gonna turn around and die. Oh wow, you didn't. Go!
Don't do that, you did.
You stopped me.
Not as much as last time.
Yo,
I'm not like squinting at the TV. It's gonna make him more scary when it pops out. Yeah.
I mean,
Oh god, he's right there.
that
Oh, he's getting closer.
Hey,
No shit, that's why I'm going this way, dumbass.
right to it, I think.
Go, go, go,
You're on
go,
the
go.
right.
I got 6 out of 8. Let's do this.
From the right.
That fucking music is getting creepy.
From the right. There's one right next to it.
I'm like about to cry right now. Holy shit, that music is creepy. Don't stop, you fucking retard. I'm retarded.
Yeah, Peanut. Yeah, those are the
Is
fun.
that a foot?
No.
No, it's a foot.
Oh, there's one.
Oh,
In that tree.
I swear to God, I've never like.
Oh.
I got it. I only need one more. Yes, I do. I have 7 on the page.
Oh god, I'm scared. This is fun. I'm scared you more than the game. Look out!
He's just like gonna get me. I know. He's gonna get me. Don't get stuck on the tree, you dumb retard.
Like your friend, not his. Look at your footsteps.
That's my footsteps.
No, like you stop. Sprinting.
Oh my God, I hear him too. I fucking stopped for 1 second, then I heard like a big footstep behind me. Did you hear that? He fucking coughed. He needs to like lose weight. He coughed after running for like 3 seconds.
I'd be scared if maybe it's cold out and all the cold air is on it.
Yes, I did hear squeaking. Yes. You'd understand if you were playing.
You know, sometimes it's kind of like cracked open, and sometimes it's completely open.
No, there's another one that's open up.
And that's my face smells good.
Okay, that's weird. Yeah, so like that. I don't smell good though. Oh, he's right there!
Wash, rinse, and repeat. Wash, rinse, and repeat.
I get it. Why hasn't he gotten me yet? It's like making me suffer, like saying I'm not gonna get you yet.
Well, once you
I'm
get
just
8,
gonna
I
like
think
fucking scare you.
it'd be cool if you get 8 and all of a sudden you just like kill him. Beat him with your
Beating with my flat. Have you fucking seen? Have you been paying attention to how big this motherfucker is? I'm pretty sure beating him with a flashlight and stabbing my face won't do it. Probably fucking die.
Oh my god! Hey, we were here before.
Oh shit. This is where I started.
Yeah.
Oh!
Yeah, the right.
Oh, what the fuck? I'm sorry, Dad.
That was weird.
Okay, I turned around. He was fucking there, and then I turned around the other way, and he was right in my face. I don't want to come back there. Oh.
Wait, you don't want to come back here when it's less scary?
No.
Actually, it is less scary.
I want the camera to pick me up screaming.
Well, you just screamed off. Oh, man, it picked that up.
Okay, breathe.
Yeah, you're dead. 3, 2, 1. Ah!
Don't fucking do that.
5.
Oh, look, a boner rock. That kind of cheered me up a little bit. Hey, I'm thinking of boners. Okay, that just sounded good. Why did I say that? You've been watching movies too much, dude. Hey, I found the river. Follow it upstream. Stream? Wait, no. Which way goes up to the drainage?
That way leads down.
Shut up. Fuck! Turn around now. I'm pretty sure the last tip report is gonna be in that fucking drainage. No, I didn't.
That was on the side of it.
No, I didn't. I didn't go to the drainage thing yet. No, I didn't.
Yeah, it was on the little side. It wasn't this side.
Oh, yeah. Just running through the woods now. He's gonna fucking pop up to me. I'm gonna fucking put the controller in his ear. Oh god. I swear to God, it's like leading me in the same direction on purpose. That way he fucking kills me.
You're reading this out.
I'm literally crying right now in fear. Oh! Oh! Oh my god! Yes. He's right there.
Why are you recording?
Because I want to.
Yeah, but nobody's gonna watch it. Because somebody's already done it.
How many people have recorded this game? Not even like recording the game, just recording us freaking out so like catching on the screen. Ah! Why didn't he just kill me? Even my guy in the game screen. Jesus Christ. I think I hit the last recorder. I got Wally! Yes! What the hell? Yes. Bro. I don't know. Whoa, 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 whoa! What the hell?
Your dad's gonna come in here in a minute.
Did I just turn into one of those freaking things? An ancient evil awakens from its slumber. Time 19 minutes and 36 seconds. Holy crap, I got all 8. And I think I did it. Okay, that was White Noise to Teleport, part 1. Okay, that was fucking scary. See you guys later.